Introducing Electric Vehicle Educational Training Stand, the ultimate hands-on learning tool for automotive students. Featuring Renault electric car components like the electric motor, controller, and battery, all interconnected with high-voltage cables for an authentic experience. Safety comes first with protective plexiglass and high-voltage cables, while the durable aluminum frame with casters offers mobility and space-saving convenience. Students gain practical experience with electric car systems, analyzing circuits, understanding wiring diagrams, and measuring electrical parameters. Integrated electric diagrams and OBD2 diagnostic connectors enhance their skills. Teachers benefit from effective demonstrations and real-time fault simulation, promoting collaborative learning and improving student comprehension.